Yes, sir. Can I canoe? A little bit. Thank you. So, let me try my hand at canoeing.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it.
The date is 15th of March, 11:40 AM Thailand time. We are on our way to James Bond Island in Phang Nga district in Thailand. We have stopped for 20 minutes at a place for some washroom break, and also there is a nice see this one. There's a nice cave where I believe there is I think there is a reclining Buddha statue over here. There is a banyan tree, very nice monastery here, and another traditional Thai temple, which is I can see. So our car has stopped for 20 minutes here for washroom breaks and all. So I'm gonna just see the temple, what's inside, and show you. Ye dress not allowed. So I think the one in Bangkok, the reclining Buddha, is somewhat similar to this. Have a look. This is so peaceful, this place. I believe these are the various days of the week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday means reclining Buddha, as you can see here. That means this Buddha resembles the day of Tuesday. This is important. I do believe I am also not properly dressed. I actually don't know which figure this is. It may be the Bodhisattva or the Avalokiteshvara, known as Bodhisattva, or it can be some local monk. I've seen his statue in the highway in a sanctuary, a Buddhist sanctuary just 20 kilometers behind. So high chances he's a local Thai revered figure. We have just arrived at Phang Nga Harbour, from where our canoe ride or the boat to James Bond Island will start. So we are all set, wearing our life jackets again. Manaji, excited? Shodish excited?
Yeah, very much.
That's cool. So I think we are going to go into the boat right now, and from the boat they'll take us to James Bond Island. If you know the movie The Man with the Golden Gun of James Bond was shot here. I think this... He's also ready, Dipanjan.
Absolutely.
All set, geared up all the time. island. This is a small barge cum station. Moon mechanic Dipanjan. I think we'll have our canoe crew starting here. Is it?
Yeah, probably they'll give us a briefing over here.
Yeah.
And then some drinks. We can just wait in the queue and it begins. And I'm already very excited looking at the beautiful formations of the limestone rocks.
The view
Superb.
is amazing.
मैंने पहली बार देखा है.
आप अंडमान नहीं गए हो क्या?
नहीं. Not yet.
The view is amazing.
I think अभी कुछ सुनना है.
And I think we have to hear this briefing. Thank you. Oh. Move first. Okay. Okay. Bharat. Take a photo. So the thing is that we are not canoeing. We are just passengers. But who cares? Look at this amazing view of these rock structures, these rocks jutting out of the sea. Dipanjan, all set? Okay, now Dipanjan will do canoe. How will I do this? So let's see Dipanjan. I'm just trying to show him he's canoeing. Just don't hit my GoPro.
Wow.
This is awesome. Whew. Dipanjan, do you remember the story from last year where the Thailand football team got stuck in a cave?
13 people.
13 people,
here
right?
Only? Not here. Not
Chiang Mai? Where in the...
far from here. Oh.
Okay.
There are also similar caves?
Like this?
Yes.
Manojit, Shorish, say hi.
Hey guys.
Enjoying, guys?
Yeah. I saw oysters.
No, not at all.
I found oyster there.
Oysters. Ah, we couldn't.
This close.
This close. Mood mechanic.
Perfect.
Perfect, right? How about a selfie, you and me? Give me your phone. Hi, Dipanjan.
Oh, deep.
So we are entering the second cave, which has a taller arch. So this is the first time you have done such canoeing, Dipanjan? पहली बार कर रहे हो ऐसा?
Yes, canoeing first time. Rafting and all I have done.
There is something like this in Andaman, in Baratang. The place in Baratang, there's a limestone formation cave in Baratang also, and nearby there's a parrot island. We were hoping to do the parrot island cruise back in 2012, but we just did the limestone caves. Couldn't do the parrot island.
Canoeing over there?
No, there is no canoeing. They take you to the parrot island in speedboat. They take you in speedboat, and the limestone cave, it is not like this. There is no sea. You just go in, you just walk. My mother fell a bit ill, so I couldn't go to the parrot island in Baratang. So, but anyway.
I have seen limestone caves in formation. I have seen those in Jabalpur.
Yeah, Jabalpur also has such things.
Across by the Narmada river structures hanging over here. Just look at them.
Yes, sir. Can I canoe? A little bit. Thank you. So, let me try my hand at canoeing. So, I'm pretty bad at it.
Wait, I can turn it.
We are done with the first island. It was the most amazing experience ever. Like canoeing through those rock formations, the basalt formations was a unique experience. It was constantly reminding me of the horror. I mean, they sure look beautiful, but they are caves in the end. And they were reminding me of the horror these high school children, the football team, faced. So right now we are going to go to the next island. I'm having Ruh Afza, which they provided. Right then, on to the next island. So we have arrived at Phang Nga Island or James Bond Island. The jetty is here. There are some shops for souvenirs that you can buy.
Thank you.
And I think the main island, the main rock attraction which you have seen in movies and documentary is on the other side. So let's go and check it out. Check that out.
Watch that mushroom-shaped rock.
So that, my friends, is the famous James Bond Island or Phang Nga Island as it's called. The movie The Man with the Golden Gun made this island very popular. And in recent times, if you have seen the Bollywood blockbuster Bar Bar Dekho, the song Saw Asmano Ko was shot here. In these waters, it's these waters where Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra were shooting the song. And needless to say, it's a very romantic song. If you haven't watched the movie, go watch it. It's available on Hotstar. Place is pretty romantic. Answers why so many Bollywood and Hollywood movies were shot in this place. Are you feeling romantic, Monojit? We are not. We seriously lack romance in our life. Maybe that's why we have taken up vlogging.
Love is right, romance is right.
So a small tip, 80% or rather 70% of Thailand is Buddhist. But this southern part of Thailand, the Phuket, Phi Phi, James Bond Island part, I think is predominantly Muslim. This answers why there is no alcohol is served on these islands, and the reason all the women are in hijab. So we're done with the visit of the James Bond Island. We have done some shopping here, some souvenirs, some fridge magnets, and some things like some canvas. Dipanjan has bought some earrings. And Monojit, did you buy anything? Nothing. Okay.
I got this for free. It's a broken fridge magnet. I'll give it to some of the.
Which one is broken?
There's no coconut tree.
I see. I think it's time for us to board the boat. So let me just. This is the current king, His Royal Highness Rama the 10th. Mahachakri Rama the 10th. Okay, now my boat is here. Chalo, time to get into the boat. So we're done with our lunch. We had our lunch in Koh Pani Island. There was nothing much to see. It was an island full of restaurants. There was a small mosque there which I wanted to visit but could not because I have time. Right now we're heading back to the jetty and they have taken a shortcut through these mangroves. I think we are here.
पता ही नहीं चला टाइम वहाँ से निकल गया. It was great. अब गए अभी सब probably hotel.
You know, I read one thing that James Bond Island in local language is called Kuta Pao, and since 1990s, approaching Kuta Pao is forbidden because वहाँ पे नीचे पानी का कटाव होने के कारण ये banned है, हमें allowed नहीं है वहाँ जाना. So any day that island may collapse, so approaching James Bond Island is forbidden by local Thai authorities. So you can just see it from a distance. You can go and you can't go and literally touch it. It's good actually, you know. You see how the place has become so overcrowded over the years.
and a bit dirty as well. The water is very
Yeah, the water was not very clean.
somewhat similar to other few even in India. काफी सारे ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम
Yeah, effects of tourism. Before this James Bond movie was made, no one used to go to this island. After
basically they have utilized a piece of rock and given it a make some announcement.
So they are announcing that we will return our life vests back to them before. Before. So we have to give them back the life vests.
Yeah, so we are just holding them.
Okay. Yep. See you in some time.
See you all in the car.
The date is 15th of March 2019. The time is 11 p.m. local time. And we have officially finished our 3 days Phuket tour. Tomorrow we're gonna go back to Bangkok. Today we had gone to the James Bond Island where I was absolutely mesmerized by the rock formations, the caves, the limestone formations, the basalt formations while meandering through those canals rather the sea. We did canoeing, of course, which was a very enthralling experience. I really liked the way the long tail boat was taking us through various ways, and there were huge mountain-like, small rock-like structures jutting out of the sea. It is actually a sight to behold, the blue coral sea and these rock formations. Really, it's the closest thing I can say to paradise. If this is not paradise, then what is? Anyway, enough said. Today, after coming back from a James Bond Island tour, I've decided not to step out much. I stayed at my room because every day we have been moving, sightseeing or traveling a lot. So I decided to give this day a rest day. We had hired 2 bikes, so I just took the bike, went to the local 7-Eleven and the Family Mart store to buy some essentials. Running out of cash. I'm running out of hard cash. I do have cash, but it's in my account. But Thailand is still a very much cash-dependent, cash-based economy, and many places we have to rely on cash and not card. But thankfully, these departmental stores such as Family Mart and 7-Eleven, these are open 24 hours.
In Phuket, we were not able to, exchange our currency.
Yeah, so we have coming to that, we have ample of cash in our accounts, but none of the exchange rate exchange counters over here are accepting card. We have to give them US dollars or some other currency. Even they accept Indian cash, Indian rupee also, but you have to give them hard cash, so only then they'll exchange it for us. The only thing here is, my friend Shoresh is here. The only thing is that it's becoming too touristy over the years, and a lot of shops have opened up, and a lot of souvenir shops in these islands. Make sure not to litter. Make sure to respect local culture and tradition and the environment, and you'll have a great time. So I'm gonna go to bed now. Tomorrow 7:30 a.m. we're gonna check out and head to the airport to head to Bangkok. So see you tomorrow. If you like this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the video if you are new, and also hit the bell icon to get more updates whenever I upload a new video.
And
what?
please make this guy rich.
Oh yeah, he says that.